Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I am guiding you through the process of installing fivem for GTA 5. First step is to go to the link in the description to download the fivem, and then click fivem download button, and once downloaded, find the installation file on your computer. Double click on it to start the installation process. Make sure your GTA 5 folder is correctly identified during installation. Copy and paste the folder address into fivem if you need to do that. Locate GTA5.xex in the installation folder and click Open in the installer. If prompt for an update, click Yes for a quick update. After the update, fivem is installed. Launch it, create an account, or link it to Discord or Steam. Browse and join your preferred roleplay server from the list and have a great time playing on fivem. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.